Hello and welcome to Your Next Car UK. It's James here bringing another video on a BMW X6 we currently have here at Your Next Car. This vehicle does feature a wider range of optional extras and features. The main feature of that being included is the full BMW M Performance Pack in the carbon fibre, which you can see there with the carbon fibre front splitter. It has a wide range of optional extras and features, so let's get through them as quick as possible. You can see on the front there the front facing camera as well as the full 360 camera. It has a xenon headlamps and angel eye as well, which you can see there in operation. We have 22-inch Stuggart alloys. These alloys are brand new with brand new tyres. It is of course X-Drive 4-wheel drive 4-litre diesel engine. It has privacy glass on the rear windows. Inside the cabin we have electric memory seats as well as being heated front and rear. It has heated steering wheel. We have the full opening and tilt operation glass sunroof. We have the superb Harman Kardon surround sound system. It is keyless entry. It has the lane departure and lane assist feature. As I mentioned, there is the rear heated seat controls. It has the wide track option on there, so we do have the 20mm space here all the way around, as well as the lowered rear suspension and lowered front suspension. Carbon fibre rear boot spoiler as part of the M Performance package. Of course, fully electric opening and closing tailgate. Humongous amount of space there. And of course the rear facing camera, which I'll show you in a little bit more detail in just a minute. There is the carbon fibre rear diffuser on top of the black exhaust trim. Okay, so let's get on inside now and show you some of the more features and options. Okay, so starting the vehicle up. We of course have BMW's professional media and navigation package. There is the satellite navigation, Bluetooth communications, DAB radio, wide range of multimedia inputs, 8-speed sports gearbox with the paddle shift, cruise control, voice recognition, voice activation. As I mentioned earlier, it has the lane departure assist as well. It has heated steering wheel as well, as I mentioned earlier, very useful for this time of year. The heated seats, power folding mirrors. It is an exceptionally spec'd vehicle and it looks the absolute part with the M Performance kit and that extremely rare option of the panoramic glass sunroof we have there. Of course, here at Your Next Car we can provide you with some superb finance packages and deals. Which can be done over the phone or in-house. One last little quick walk around the outside of the car. If you are requiring any further information or you would like a quote on the finance, please do give us a call on 0115 822 9431. If you're wanting to look further into the details, there are up to 50 images of this X6 on our website for you to view. And as I say, please do give us a call for any further information. For email inquiries, please email us at yournextcar@icloud.com. Okay, that's just about it from me here on the BMW X6. Thank you and goodbye.